Holy fuck.
Yeah, so good.
What if it doesn't explode? A stick. You get it? It's called a penis.
Dude, I bent this thing all the way down. Bam!
Boom! How loud is it gonna be?
Really loud.
Like louder than a gun?
Yeah.
Get it out of the fire!
Move a piece of fire, like put a piece of wood down on it.
They're idiots. They should have freaking got it right the first time.
Hey, wait, Dalton, just hit it out real quick. Hit it out. No, shit, it's melting. It's gonna get.
Isn't all the axe out of it already?
Yeah, but there's still gas in there. Like compressed air, whatever you call it.
That's it, guys.
Yeah. Woo!
That was the explosion.